Welcome to Triple P Designer. If you are passionate about UI UX product or graphic design stuff, you are in the right place. We share tips, tutorials, and inspiration related stuff to help you creating stunning designs. Let's dive deep into the world of design together. Our first website for design related inspiration, you guys can just see it's a dark mode design, the name of this website. This site is a curated collection of beautiful crafted dark mode websites. It's a perfect for designers looking for inspiration in the realm of dark aesthetics. So as you can see over here, each site is handpicked to ensure top-notch quality and creativity. You can see. So if you are fan of dark mode, this is your go-to resource. Just close your eyes and dive in and explore the elegance of dark mode designs. The second website where you can see a white screen in the landing page is already showcasing multiple stuff. Introducing landing folio, your ultimate destination for landing page inspiration. This platform features a vast collection of best landing page designs, templates, and components all around the web. Whether you are a designer designing a SaaS landing page or a product page or a business landing page, you can cover everything. Browsing through real examples, you can see, as you can see over here, save your favorite. You can also save any of your design into your favorite stuff like over here, and implement those things in your go-to design process, whatever you are designing. Multiple categories also mentioned. You can dive deep into each and individual categories and just see the beautiful world of design inspirations over here in this landing folio website. It's an app shot. You can see the landing page is the hero section or landing page, you can say. It's very stunning. The identifying UX designer, UI developers, UI designers, and product managers. So welcome to app shots, your comprehensive library for mobile web design inspiration with over 1000 top-notch design flows from more than 400 apps. App shots showcasing 120,000 plus screens present over here. You can just dive inside it and know a hell lot of library of all those screens, which will inspire and elevate your design projects. It's a perfect you it's perfect for designers looking for streamline their research process and find the best UX flows and design elements. Explore and get inspired as much as you can. You can see there are keep on going, keep on implementing multiple, keep on uploading multiple apps and flows and screens of different apps throughout globe. 4, discover Landbook, a treasure trove of design inspiration for creatives. This website collects and showcases a wide range of beautifully designed websites for SaaS landing page to e-commerce stores, and also somehow you can see portfolios. Landbook aims to speak you creatively and motivate you to the creative amazing design. Dive into the collection, find new ideas, and take your creativity to new high and on this particular website. Hope you like it. But not in the least, it's a page collective. So as this name of this website already dignifies, your hub for latest trends and innovation in landing page design, Page Collective offers a curated selection of best landing page designs, ensure you to stay ahead in this in the realme of web aesthetics. Whether you are looking for inspiration or want to keep up with the latest design trends, Page Collective has you covered each and every single detail of design language. Enhance your user interface and creative stunning landing pages with the help of Page Collective. Hope you like this video and you gonna enjoy diving inside each and every single websites I have mentioned. I will also mention all those website links in the description below. So thanks for watching Triple P Design. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share any thoughts, drop your comments below. Keep creating amazing designs and I will see you in the next video. Take care and happy designing. Bye bye.